welcome. It is me, Mr. Friday, and we're going to a car meet today. I think we're going to have like close to 8 MR2s today. We all know mine, right here. And Michael just bought a new car. So we're going to go and...
I blew the fuse.
You blew a fuse? Which fuse? The fan fuse? Huh?
The vent for the fan.
Yeah.
20 amp or not?
I might have a 20 amp. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, we got his new car. There it is. There's Michael in the back.
It looks a lot nicer in person.
Alright, so we're gonna head on out. We're gonna meet everyone there at the meetup. So I'm getting in my car and starting to go. I didn't wash my car, so it's dirty as F. So I'm just gonna meet some friends. Friends. Let's go ahead. Oh. Start her up. Windows down, AC blowing. Ugh. But here we go. Alright everyone, so we're at the meet right now. So we got a whole bunch of MR2s out here. Let's go ahead and show you what we have. We got ourselves a Gen 4. That's Sam. This is Sam's buddies, AW11. My 240 MR2. Gabe's, Al's, Michael's. We got another one coming around. We got Mark's coming. We need to wait for Mark. We have another one coming, so we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe about 8 MR2s coming around. So let's go ahead and kind of walk around and see what we have, because there's a lot of cars out here. Oh, baby corgi. There's a 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 corgi. So I am in.
So when you get everybody starting from the end, he's gonna pull out the.
Okay, I'll be the last.
Yeah.
Okay. So I am in Sam's car. I'm gonna drive his Gen 4, and yeah, he wants to drive my Gen 2, and so we're gonna see how that is. A little comparison. We'll go ahead. He's gonna drive that. We'll go have some footage, and yeah, we're gonna go eat because I am hungry. Hungry. Look at all these MR2s.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of those things on the bumper.
Look at this girl, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get rid of that exhaust. Like, as much as
Your
I...
other one, right?
Now 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hey, did you see it?
5, and 6.
Really?
It came the next day.
So basically,
It was 100.
it's a good day of just kind of meeting out with friends, and yeah, definitely gonna eat because food is important, and I want food. So yeah. So this guy right here, he drove my car.
Quite the experience.
Quite the experience. Why? What's the experience? What made it so crazy?
Being that it's your car, and that it's a fully built motor. Stalled a lot, but I think that was because of the AC.
Yep, that's true.
I mean, I wouldn't really order for Tyson. I wouldn't really know until I drove it on the track. But
Well, definitely, I'll let you drive it like really hard. I don't mind.
First impressions, though, I'm excited. I'm excited for when I do get the chance to drive it.
Heck yeah, dude. And so I drove his car, and when I drove his car, a couple of things that I want to do to it. Definitely try to work on his throttle pedal because it is pretty stiff. I'm pretty sure you don't like that. You're used to it now,
I'm used
though.
to it, yeah.
But compared to my,
A lot better.
it's just a little bit more. I don't know, a little bit more precise, I guess. If it was mine.
Yeah. With mine, you kind of have to finesse it if you're going like low speeds.
Yeah. With the low speeds and stuff. You don't mind if I record, right? Cool.
You can post this one.
Yeah. I will anyway. But yeah, it was good driving someone else's car. The power delivery in the Gen 4 is definitely a. I want to say it's about the same with my car because it's all modernized also with the coilover plugs and the no AFM. Just mine has a little bit more boost
And a tune.
and a tune.
Stock.
Yeah, completely stock with his. So definitely a little bit better.
All line up right there. Bam.
Could we? Now?
That would be a dope.
Yeah, that would be.
Could probably do that in a little bit. But yeah, Gabe still needs to drive my car. I know he wants to drive it, like really drive it. So
Still want to drive.
Michael, right? He doesn't get to drive anyone's car?
he can, we just drive his car.
Oh, it's illegal.
This is illegal. Look, it's illegal. We're not supposed to do that. Illegal.
Sign a discipline.
But yeah,
Sign a waiver.
I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna pretty much end this night because I need to go home and sleep. So later.